Welcome to you all in my YouTube channel Experience Mathematics. In today's video I am going to teach you how to find out center of the circle using shortcut method. Before starting, I want you to make sure that you please subscribe my channel if you have not already subscribed, and share this video with your friends, and also press bell icon so that you will be informed about my coming videos. So now without delay I'll start my today's topic. We have to find out the center of the circle. So finding out center of the circle is not a difficult task, but when we have to solve multiple choice questions in entrance examinations, at that time we don't have much time to solve it, so that we need to use shortcut method so that we can save our time. So I am teaching you the amazing way of finding out the center of the circle, and we can find out center of the circle instantly. Okay, we don't need long process. So using a partial derivative we can easily find out the center of the circle. So now let's start this. Let look at the solution to this question. Let fx equals to 4x square plus 4y square plus 12x minus 6ay minus a square. Okay, so you can just write here f1, it is function of x and y. Now del f over del x, let us find out partial derivative of this with respect to x. When we find out partial derivative of this expression with respect to x, we take other variable except x as constant, and constant is already constant. Okay, so its derivative will be 4 to the 8x, and it will be 0 because except x others are taken as constant, plus 12a, derivative of x is 1, this is 0, this is also 0. Okay, because except variable x other are taken constant while finding out partial derivative. So now we equate this with 0, taking del f over del x equals to 0. This implies at x equals to minus 12a. Okay, this 8x plus 12a equal to 0, so 8x equals to minus 12a, and this implies x equals to minus 12a over 8. Now 4 can cancel, 4 3s are 12, 4 2s are 8, that gives you minus 3a over 2. So this is the x coordinate of the center. Similarly del f over del x, del y, partial derivative of this given expression with respect to y. When we are finding out partial derivative of this given expression with respect to y, except variable y, others variable and constant, they are taken as constant. Okay, so this equals to, this will be 0 because except variable y others are taken as constant, so its derivative will be 8y. This is constant, so its derivative 0. Here derivative of this y will be 1 with respect to y, minus 6a will be there. And now taking del f over del y equals to 0, this implies 8y minus 6a equals to 0. This implies 8y equals to 6a. This implies y equals to 6a over 8. Now 2 can cancel, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. So this will be 3 over 4. This is the y coordinate of the center. Therefore, coordinate of center of the circle is x coordinate is 3a over 2, y coordinate is 3a over 4. Okay, in this way easily we can find out coordinate of the center of the circle. Okay, this is our shortcut process to find out center of the circle. And the same problem if we do it by a long process, look at here. So here, to show every process in detail, I have done like this way, but while solving this problem during entrance examination time, you can directly find out this partial derivative and then equate with 0. Okay, directly this process 8x plus 12 equal to 0 we can equate, and directly we can find out. Yeah, also no need to show a detail, because while solving multiple choice questions, process is not taken into consideration. So directly it can be solved and found out. We can find the center of the circle. So now how this same problem can be solved by using long process. Look at here. First of all, we need to divide this throughout by 4, because our general equation of the circle is in this form: x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. So to change in this form, we should divide throughout by 4. Dividing both sides of the given equation by 4. Okay, we need to divide throughout by 4. And when you divide both sides by 4, then it will be like this: 4x square plus 4y square plus 12ax minus 6ay minus a square. So dividing throughout by 4, I directly divided each term by 4. Okay, and now this becomes x square plus y square plus 4 3 12 3ax minus, here it will be 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6, so it will be 3ay over 2 minus a square over 4 equals to 0. And the next process is that comparing above equation with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. So if you compare with this, then 2g equals to, we have 3a, and then 2f equals to, we have minus 3a over 2. Okay, here coefficient of y is 2f and coefficient of y here is minus 3 over 2, and this implies z equals to 3a over 2, f equals to minus 3a over 4. Now coordinate of center of the circle is given by minus g minus f, and this equals to, here minus g means that is minus 3a over 2 minus f, this minus this becomes plus 3a over 4. Okay, this is the coordinate of the center of the circle. Okay, so here although this long process seems to be shorter in comparison to this, but here I have shown in detail, so it looks longer, but directly if we find out, then in this shortcut process we don't have to show all these necessary details. So directly del f over del x we can find out here. Look at here, that will be 8x plus 12a equals to 0. We can equate, then here will be 8x equals to minus 12a, and x will be minus 3 over 2 directly. And then next step will be del f over del y. We can find out that will be 8y minus 6a equals to 0. So y will be 6a over 8, 2 3 is 6, 3a over 4. So coordinate to the center will be minus 3 over 2 comma 3 over 4. So no need to show detailed process of dividing both sides by 4 like this, and don't need to compare with this. So directly in this way we can find out center of the circle. And here, after finding out g and f also, we need to find out the center of the circle using this formula minus g minus f. But here in this shortcut process, directly without remembering that minus g minus f, it gives you the center of the circle. Generally what happens is that student will find out center of the circle, this 3 comma 2, 3 over 2 comma minus 3 over 4. They forget to write minus g minus f, and that gives you the wrong result. Okay, so but if we do by this process, then no need to remember that minus g minus f. Directly we can find out the center of the circle. So in this way, by the use of the partial derivative, we can easily find out the center of the circle. In this method you can use while solving multiple choice questions during entrance examinations. I hope that you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Before going, if you have not subscribed my channel, I request you to subscribe my channel if you have not already subscribed, and also press bell icon so that you will be informed about my coming videos. Thank you very much.